In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WeTransfer to send files. WeTransfer is a simple tool for sending large files when they may be too big for a regular email attachment. It's useful for sharing photos, videos, documents, zip files, and even entire folders. And the process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. To begin, open your WeTransfer account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand panel. If the Send Files card is not already showing there, click the option for Send Files so you're on the correct screen before continuing. This is the area where you'll prepare everything for your transfer. Next, click either Add Files or Add Folders, depending on what you want to send. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will open. From there, locate the item you want to upload. This can be a photo, a video, a document, a zip file, or a full folder. Select the file or folder, then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. If you're using the free version of WeTransfer, keep in mind that the transfer limit is usually up to 3 gigabytes per transfer. If you have a paid plan, just make sure your file size stays within the limit allowed by your account tier. After your files are added, move to the email field and enter the recipient's email address. You can add up to 10 recipients if needed, which is helpful when you want to send the same files to multiple people at once. At this stage, you can also edit the file title to make the transfer easier to recognize, and you can include a message to give the recipient more context about what you're sending. You'll also need to choose the file expiration period. If you're on the free tier, you can usually choose between 1 day or 3 days. If you're on a paid plan, you may have access to longer expiration options, so choose the one that fits your needs. Once everything looks correct, click Transfer. WeTransfer will begin processing the upload, and you'll see a loader with a status such as finalizing. Give it a moment to complete. When the transfer is finished, you'll see a confirmation that the email has been sent, along with the validity period for the transfer, so you'll know how long the recipient has to download the files. And that's it. That's how to use WeTransfer to send files quickly and clearly.